Flave City family, it is Bobby coming at you from my happy place, the grocery store, specifically Whole Foods. And spoiler alert, there's a sale going on right now that encompasses so many Bobby approved products for rock bottom prices. I want to go here, just do some shopping and do it along with you guys. Show you how I navigate the aisles, show you what stuff is Bobby approved, what stuff isn't, but more importantly, if you're watching this channel, how to buy the best quality products with ingredients for you and your family. Before we go in there, I also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. Thrive is like a 7-year supporter of the channel, but the reason why I like them is pretty much anything you would find at any grocery store is on Thrive Market, but it's cheaper. You save about 32 bucks per order and the box comes to your home. You don't have to go to the store if you don't want to. But right now, when you click my link down below, you get 30% off your first order and a free gift up to $60, and it's 30 days risk-free. I will put all my favorite Thrive Market items in the description box down below. Check them out, you'll love them. Less talking, more shopping. Let's go into the grocery store. In the rice and bean aisle, I spy something that I've been keeping in my pantry lately. This. Siete recently came out with a refried beans. They're so yummy, and listen, I like to make my own too, but in a pinch, to get refried beans that are made from black beans, avocado oil, and no filler ingredients, they are delicious. I tend to add a little bit of salt to this. They're fantastic. And to have it with those quality Bobby approved ingredients is fantastic, because if you pick up any other one, like Amy's, for the most part, she makes good plant-based stuff or non-beef stuff. But once in a while, what kind of oil is she using? See? Safflower or sunflower oil, which is not ideal at all. This is great. Both are yummy. I prefer the black beans. Now, when I was walking over here, amazing sale. Siete also has seasoning mixes, and I actually like this one, the mild one. Are you kidding me? $1.79 for Amazon members. I say it all the time. For those of you who call this place Whole Paycheck, it can be expensive. Prices have come down since Amazon bought them, but when you get the sales here, prices can be cheaper than Walmart. And I just came from Walmart from that video from yesterday, and trust me, I know. This taco seasoning, look at the ingredients here. Chili powders, touch of ground dates for sweetness, tomato powder, nutritional yeast, cassava flour, black pepper, best-in-class ingredients, best-in-class price. Now, if you just compare that to something like this, this is a regular taco seasoning mix. Boom. What's the first ingredient? White rice flour. It's a filler ingredient. You also have sugar. You also have sunflower oil. That's par for the course for taco seasonings. These are great. All of these are great. That price is pretty legit too. And just sticking in the bean category, these are the ones I usually buy and make my own refried beans, but there's a lot of really cool Bobby approved beans these days. Look at this. Filos, Puerto Rican sofrito beans. What kind of oil are they using here? Best in class extra virgin olive oil. I've seen this brand once in a while, A Dozen Cousins, Creole red beans. Boom, cooked in avocado oil. That's what we love to see. Best in class ingredients used for best in class products. Bobby approved stuff for the win. Hold the front door. I almost forgot. It's their annual frozen pizza sale. 35% off all frozen pizzas, extra 10% off, so 45% off. So what I would do and what I'm gonna do is load up on my favorites. So if you follow me on stories, we make our own pizzas at home, but not the crust. This is such a great Bobby approved crust. Capello's, Paleo almond flour. Look at these ingredients, ready? Non-GMO eggs, almond flour, arrowroot, coconut milk, extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of psyllium husk. Look at those ingredients, right? It's not low carb, but it's actually not that high carb, and it's 45% off of that price. I'll get some pizza sauce. Usually the Whole Foods brand is pretty solid. And then I'll put organic Valley mozzarella on here, load it up, bake it on a pizza stone. You gotta get a pizza stone. They're like 15 bucks on Amazon. This is great. But what we like even better than that crust, oh man, are they sold out? So they make a keto pizza, but they make a keto crust. And I don't buy the pizza by itself, I buy the crust. And it's incredibly low carb and Bobby approved. But if you wanted to go for a better for you choice, the keto pizza, you'll see the crust is actually made with turnip and almond flour. I like to use the Crust and make a pizza out of that, but I don't see it right now. And if you're looking for just a regular pizza, it gets kind of dicey for ingredients. It's not quite Bobby approved, but this is probably one of your better options here because Amy actually makes an organic flour based pizza, which is important when you have wheat flour. The only thing I don't like that Amy does, and I don't know why, they're using the safflower or sunflower oil, but they're using the virgin oil. If they just used more virgin oil as opposed to the safflower oil, it'd be Bobby approved. So it's a better for you choice, but the reason they're doing it is money. It would cost more to use all extra virgin olive oil, but I think it's worth it, especially when the normal price is $9, but take 45% off. That's a better for you option. And sleeper, they call it a pizza crust, but I would just use it as a flatbread. These are outer aisle. They make the sandwich thins at Costco, but they make a big one too. Is this the one here? Italian, yeah, $8 here. It's 45% off. It's 2 of them, so it's normally pretty pricey, but 45% off is a good deal. But this only happens, I believe, once a year. To get 45% off the Bobby approved ones is an epic deal. Whole Foods is home to one of the shampoos and conditioners we use, Acure. Acure is great. I've done a lot of personal review videos lately. It's one of the few without the harsh scrubbing agents or preservatives. It's very, very clean. It's $9.99 here, but I just loaded up from Thrive Market because they have a really good deal on Acure. And I'm gonna have to order my 7 Sundays cereal on there too because I can't find it at any Whole Foods. But that is a great shampoo and conditioner. And as you learn about non-toxic home, the personal care products you put on your body are very important. I'll link to some of those personal care videos here. But if you want to try a truly Bobby approved shampoo and try that 7 Sundays cereal, which is a paleo grain-free cereal with best-in-class ingredients, use my link down below. Join Thrive Market. You get 30% off your first order and a free gift up to $60, and it's 30 days risk-free. Thrive is great, and that is some great shampoo and conditioner. The other day, Desi stopped at Whole Foods and she grabbed a bag of this. These are coconut rolls, those similar to the ones they have at Costco. The only difference is these are made with only coconut sugar, and the ones at Costco have a touch of cane sugar. They're still Bobby approved, but these technically are better. They definitely are more expensive than the Costco ones, but wow, I think they taste even better. They have a slightly different crispy texture, and the extra coconut sugar as opposed to the cane sugar gives it more of a nutty flavor. I still like the ones at Costco and are Bobby approved, and they're cheaper, but if you want to try something different, this is super yummy. I noticed that, boom, paleo cookies from Hue are on sale. That's a good deal. These are very high quality cookies. But what excites me even more is this. Have you ever tried a keto cup? They're on sale right now. Leave a comment down below. This is basically a keto Bobby approved version of a Reese's peanut butter cup. Each one only has 2 net carbs. And you want to be really, really wowed. Look at these ingredients. Cacao hazelnuts, Jerusalem artichoke fiber to get the net carbs down, MCT oil, which is great for your brain and energy, best-in-class Himalayan pink salt, $7 for, how many are there in here? 7. So it's about $1 per, but these are super yummy and they have a new flavor in a fancy box, organic brownie batter. I don't know how they do it without natural flavors. Look at this, tiger nut flour, 7 for 7. Right, still expensive, but on sale. I'm gonna try this one. The alternative is like those keto cups they used to have at Costco. Sometimes they have palm oil, sometimes they don't, and they have a little bit of a funky sugar alcohol flavor. These don't. These just have pure monk fruit in there, and they taste unbelievable. Speaking of tasty unbelievable, I'm gonna tease it. But behind me is the wall of protein bars. I put it out on Instagram maybe like 3 months ago. Should I make my own? Everyone said yes. And we're just about to sign the paperwork, and I'm gonna share the samples for the Bobby approved protein bar that's chocolate enrobed, and it literally tastes like a candy bar with next level ingredients. Look out for that in the near future. It is gonna be the best, cleanest, most nutrient dense protein bar on the market. This is exciting. They have now the Hue organic grass-fed milk chocolate bars with the filled varieties. And everything's on sale. $4.94 as opposed to the regular price of $6.49. Regular Hue bars are great, but these are crazy, specifically this one. So cashew butter, but the milk is 100% organic grass-fed milk, sweetened with coconut sugar, no filler ingredients. All the milk chocolate ones literally taste like a candy bar. It's the only Bobby approved milk chocolate on the market, and it's on sale. And so are these hunks. We brought these as a snack to Europe. These are chocolate covered colossal nuts, the cashews, and they're sweetened with a touch of coconut sugar. These are unbelievable. They're on sale. The chocolate milk is unbelievable. That's on sale. High five to saving money. Oh, this is nice. There's a sale on a Bobby approved lozenge, and we're in cold and flu season now. This is a propolis based lozenge. It also has honey in it, but as opposed to most cough drops that have honey, they don't add sugar, and other ones do. Look at this. This is honey, tapioca, touch of monk fruit, and the propolis extract. I've said it before, and I usually have my spray bottle with me, but I forgot it today. Propolis is harvested from the lining of the bee hives. It's incredibly antimicrobial, antifungal, immune boosting. If you start getting a scratchy throat, this stuff is phenomenal. And this is the spray. Oh, it's on sale too. This is the spray that I normally use each day. This is pure propolis. I usually get it on Thrive Market, but that's a really good deal. You spray this when you have a sore throat or a tickle. Because I'm talking all the time, my throat gets raw. This stuff is great, but this is a really nice Bobby approved cough drop or lozenge for cold and flu season. I came down the cereal aisle because 7 Sundays, which is Bobby approved, is on sale at Whole Foods for a ridiculous price, but it's sold out at this Whole Foods and the other one I go to, so I guess there's a mad rush on that. But I came down the aisle and saw this. If you eat oats, holy cow, Purely Elizabeth is on sale. These are single serves. These sale prices are gangbusters. I'm telling you, shop the sales at Whole Foods. You will win big time when it comes to saving money. This is with grass-fed collagen superfood oatmeal. So it's organic gluten-free oats, sweetened with coconut sugar, paleo coconut sugar, only, what is that, 6 grams, a teaspoon and a half for the whole thing, with dried blueberries, bovine collagen. I don't like that the blueberries are coated in sugar and sunflower oil, but the rest of the ingredients are perfect. I guarantee if you pick up something like vanilla pecan, yeah, you won't have those problems. This is the kind of stuff you want to eat because when you get something that's flavored, it's almost always with cane sugar. How much cane sugar in this? 9 grams. That's white cane sugar compared to paleo coconut sugar for the other one. 9 grams is over 2 teaspoons. That's way too much. And this one also, does it have natural flavors? No, at least they're putting real apple in there. This is a great buy. They also have the big bags here. If you eat oats, these are solid flavored oats. Wow, ending the video, can you hear it? With Counting Crows, Mr. Jones, and I just had one of those brownie batter keto bites here. Delicious. Great day shopping. Lots of sales, saving money and all that good things. So that is it from my happy place, the grocery store. Check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. 30% off your first order and a free gift up to $60. And I'll put my favorite Thrive Market items down below. But that is it for Adam Duritz, myself. I leave you like I always do from my happy place, the grocery store. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace. Later.